Very warm welcome to London Heathrow Terminal 5, the home of British Airways. Local time is almost 10 to 12 in the lunchtime. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched off. When you say to do so, please do take care when opening the overhead lockers, as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. You may now make and receive calls, as well as use all data services on your handheld electronic devices. Before you leave us today, please do check you have all your personal belongings, including anything you may have left in your seat area during the flight. If your journey ends here at Heathrow, please follow the signs for arrivals. On arrival for a smoother journey through the UK border, please be ready with your documentation. Please also make sure that you use the e-gates if you meet the criteria as displayed in the passport control area. Staff will be available to assist you if required.